Welcome to Rachel's 80s Fun Place. I'm showing you a do-it-yourself light-up hand. This is my second attempt, and I'm doing it a different way. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And here is the directions to make the new hand. Okay, I'm trying something different. Yes, I filled a rubber glove full of water last night and then froze it. The reason I did was because I want it in a position like that so I can do what I tried on my hand when I was trying to make that Halloween decoration, or just a light up hand, or so it'll stay in place. So that's what I did. I froze it. What I'm going to do after I do all that, then I'll have to let it unfreeze before I, try the lighting in it and everything else. Let it unfreeze, and then I'll take the glove out. So I'm going to put the saran wrap on here, and then I'm going to put, of course, the tape. You'll see me holding hands with it. See, I'm holding its hand. But yeah, I come up with this idea to try that. I actually didn't look at anybody's thing. I actually come up with this, so we'll see how this works. See if it works for me. See if I have a funny looking hand afterwards. Okay, I got the saran wrap on here. I couldn't get my stand-up camera to work to try to get a video of me doing it, but I got the saran wrap. But I think I could make it without the saran wrap and just use the gloves itself. But I'm trying this one and see how this one comes out. Okay, I taped this, but I don't know how well it would be, and I actually can cut it off while the hand still, the ice is in there. I don't need to wait for it to melt. I can cut it off, but yeah, I don't need saran wrap. I can just actually use the gloves because it'll still be see-through. This glove I won't be able to use, but the other ones I can. Okay, I cut it, and now I gotta tape it like I did in the other video when I did it on my hand. But yeah, the saran wrap I don't think is needed in this project. I can use a rubber glove instead and keep the glove too in there because it would light through and probably even look better, because I don't know, when I tried this, it's actually kind of a pain, but hey, something new. I'll keep experimenting. Okay, we'll see how the light looks in here. And yeah, when I tried the third experiment, I'm just going to worry about taping the fingers together, because maybe the light will show through and it'll show the indentation of the fingers, because that's what makes it a pain, is trying to part them fingers. So how do you peeps like it? It's okay, but yeah, I'm going to try it with the other way now, and that'll be on another video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, or whatever, thumbs down. I'm trying here.